Now that we've finished putting our border all around the cake, it's time for us to figure out how we're going to finish the cake off. And for me, I've decided I'm going to make this a man's cake. So I'm going to use some of Caljava's pre-made fondant ribbon loops. Once you have these, I want you to see this is a blank canvas, and you can do anything you want to with them. So I'm going to flatten out some of my baby blue Elite, just so that it will fit through the pasta machine again. These pasta machines are awesome. They sell those at Caljava online also. Okay, that's beautiful. So now I've got, again, even thickness all the way across, and I'm going to use one of these multi-ribbon cutters, and I'm going to cut myself a little line so that I can get some uniform ribbons, and I'm going to use the sticky side. I've turned it to where that is now on the top, and I'm going to add a little bit more water because I'm applying something fresh to something really solidly dry. Sometimes you need a little bit of water. I'm just going to attach my loop right down the center, and now I'm going to have a perfect match to the color of my fondant. I'm just going to take my finger and smooth down some of those cut edges. So I'm just going to rub that on. I'm going to do the same thing with a couple more loops. Now that we've finished putting stripes on all of our bows, it's time to do the bling part. And so I'm going to take black disco dust, and I'm going to pour a little bit into my lid. I can put this back into the bottle when I'm done, but I just need a little for now. And I'm going to take a paintbrush, and I'm going to apply some piping gel just onto the edge of my pre-made bow loop. The disco dust is only going to stick where I've put the gel. And so I'm just going to tap it into place, and it's right on the edges, just where I want it. I'll do the same thing on the other side, and this is going to give me a really handsome edging, perfect for any guy. So we'll continue until we have all of our bow loops ready to go. So now that we've got all of our bow loops embellished, we're going to start to put them into the cake so that we can get it ready for our guy. So I'm going to take my little two-tier cake, and I've already poked a hole into my cake and inserted a straw so that I can put my wires in without damaging the cake or poisoning anyone or anything like that. So I'm just going to slide in my little bow loops. And you can use as many or as few loops as you see fit. Because these are on wires, I can move them or twist their shape if I want it to be at a different angle. They can go sideways, they can turn like this and that. You have freedom when they're on wires like this, which is a great thing with the Caljava ribbon loops. And I'm going to add one in the very, very top. Fun. And so now we're all ready to just write our Happy Birthday Danny message, and it's great for this guy. What? Danny's a girl? Well, this is why I'm glad that I carry pre-made flowers from Caljava, because I'm going to pull this bow loop off and I'm going to turn it into a cake for a girl. I'm not pulling out any cake because I've used that straw. And we're going to go to our handy dandy pre-made flowers. I love this one. It's one of their newest ones. It's a magnolia. I mean, can you believe, do you know how long it would take to make a magnolia? Really, I mean, this is insane. And they're also packed so beautifully with all this styrofoam that I know that my petals come in great shape. And so I'm going to now turn this into a lovely girl's cake. And I can bend the wire to get it into the shape I want. All of these petals are individually wired too, so if I want it more closed or more open, I can make those adjustments right now. And I'm just going to insert this one down over here. Okay, how gorgeous is that? And so we've gone from a cake for a guy to a cake for a girl in nothing flat, thanks to the use of pre-made products from Caljava.